Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum student. Today we will start our new chapter, chapter 2, kidneys and excretion. Today we will discuss the topic excretion and defecation. Student, first we discuss what is excretion. Excretion refers to the removal of the waste products of metabolic pathway from the body. This can occur in a number of ways, but in mainly through lungs, skin, and kidney and urinary system. In simple word, we can say that excretion is a removal from the body of waste chemicals that have been produced inside the body. Student, when cell respire to produce energy, carbon dioxide is made as a waste product. If this carbon dioxide was allowed to build up inside the body, it would be harmful. The carbon dioxide is therefore carried to the lungs to be breathed out. When animals remove harmful waste products made inside their bodies, these waste products are said to have been excreted. These are some excretory organs like skin, lungs, liver, rectum, kidney. Let's discuss what are excretory organs and how excretory material generated in these organs. Student, kidney is generated excreted material urine. Lungs generated excretory material carbon dioxide and water vapor. Skin, sweat and metabolic waste. Liver, bile pigments. Bile pigment means any of several coloring material as bilirubin or biliverdin in bile, which you will study in class 9 in detail. Large intestine generated excretory material like salt of calcium, magnesium, undigested food material, and iron. Endocrine glands, these allow excess water to leave the body. Salivary glands and lacrimal glands. Inshallah, you will study in detail in chapter number 4, Modern Biotechnology. So, it generated a small amount of nitrogenous waste. Then, what is defecation? It is important to remember that excretion is a removal of waste product made inside the body. The feces, the solid indigestible part of the food we eat, are not waste chemical. They have not been made inside the body. The removal of feces from the body is known as defecation. Means the process of excreting feces from the rectum having a bowel movement. Feces means the semi-solid waste of waste products in the colon that are splat through the anus. Stool is also known as excreted feces. Now, student, what is the difference between excretion and defecation? Let's learn. Excretion, metabolic waste products one used in the body, while defecation releasing feces. Metabolism means the sum of all chemical reaction taking place in living organism, but in defecation, products that make a feces were never used in the body. Water is vital for you. You can live for some weeks without food, but only for a few days without water. It is not surprising that water is so important. About 70% of our body is water, and more than half of it is your body cell. The cell needs water to work properly. Water is needed to carry dissolved salt through our body, and water makes up most of our blood and digestive juice. Our body is continuously losing water and replacing the water that is lost. If our body is to keep working properly, the amount of water inside it must stay roughly the same. And so the amount of water taken into the body must equal the amount it loses. Student, our body composes 75% of our brain. It regulates our body temperature, make up 83% of our blood. Water removes our waste. Water composes 20% of our bones. It cushions our joint, helps carry nutrients and oxygen to our cells, moisten oxygen for breathing, helps convert food to energy. Water protects and cushions our vital organs. Water helps our body absorb nutrients. Water makes up 75% of our muscles. It is the importance of water in our body. Student, the our body is 60% of water. Water in bone, 24% is water. In skin, 80% of water is available, 85% in blood, 75% in brain, 90% in lungs, and 75% of water is present in muscle. Inshallah, in next class, we will discuss the structure of kidney. Jazakallah.